brothers and sisters. So there's no reason to panic. This is a sell-off, that's for sure. A couple things to consider. So first of all, a big panic here is the concern that Powell is not going to lower rates in June, which the way things are going, it looks like that may be the case, but no one fully knows. We just have to wait for economic numbers this month and next month. But, if you look at the NASDAQ, it's down 161. Dow Jones is down 305. Well, we are tied very heavy to that, period. We are not decoupled at all, nor will we be in any foreseeable future, right? We're supposed to be a hedge against inflation in the other markets. That's not the case. Technology sells off, we sell off. Dow Jones sells off major, we sell off. We're also somewhat overbought, some would say, but look at all the sea of red in your top 100 here, right? So we are on the borderlines of 65K. And yesterday we had quite a bit liquidated. Quite a bit of longs liquidated, and Grayscale sold a tremendous amount. That is affecting us, but we would be selling off anyways. To be honest with you, if the equities market's selling off, we're following it. So, didn't panic. It does suck when you probably, a lot of you could have sold a couple days ago, myself as well, and bought a hell of a lot cheaper, right? Some of the ones that. You own. I mean, Solana's, trying to hold strong, just down 9%. Let's be rational about everything. But if Bitcoin gets killed, right, even though it's only 7%, they're not looking at percentages. They're looking at, oh my God, it was 70,000, it was 73,000, now it's 65,000. I can tell you, we get below $65,000. We can definitely head into the high 59s. I hope we don't, but we can. And then there will be a trend of consolidation, capitulation, and but it will be back, okay? But as of right now, we could definitely dip below 3,000 on Ethereum. I'm doing nothing, right? I bought a crap load yesterday. What am I going to do? That's okay. It was a lot of Benki and a few other small ones, nothing major. I was going to buy a heck of a lot of Velodrome. I don't think I did. Can't remember. But Polygon, so you're giving back a ton of your gains. I'm giving back a ton of ones that came back from the last bear market, and it's back, in a bad place. That'll all come back. Just keep looking, so we're a very typical 9-10% loss, it's, and the alts will get hit if, Bitcoin keeps busting down and we get into the high 50s, alts will go another 10 to 20 to 30% more. Look at Ondo, so people are going to have chances to buy, possibly. I know you don't want to buy on a day like today. It's frustrating, and but this just happens. This is below kind of where I bought it. I should have sold it at $1, but I didn't. Am I going to buy more? Probably not. I was gonna yesterday. Glad I didn't. So there's not a ton to share because we have to see how it plays out. We're not in control of this. All we can control are our actions. What are we doing? How does you have money on the side? But I would not be, my personal opinion, not financial advice, I would not be making any moves right now. If it's a good project and you believe in it, is it bad to jump in on something? I don't think so, even though, but you don't, if you have $1,000 you want to do, or 10,000 or 100,000 or 500, don't blow it all on right now, right? If you want to buy a bunch of Ocean, you would buy some now. And then if it drops to $1, you buy a little more, so on and so forth. It drops to 90 cents, right? Look at this. This was, I've given away a ton of money by not selling this, and it's, all the support is gone on all these. There's no such thing as support and resistance, just so you know. In a bear and bull market, there's no such thing. Don't let these TA fools tell you any different. There's no such thing. There might be longs and shorts, and there might be a lot of buys at $1 or whatever. It gets its, there's footing and everything, but when it crashes, meaning it's not going to just bounce off of something. So keep a close eye on things. My recommendation is don't check your portfolio a lot. Just if you want to be in the market to buy something, good. Then you keep an eye on things, not on your portfolio, but on the levels where you want to buy. If you are not in the market to buy, stay out. Right? This, will drive me crazy. I need to get in at 6 cents. I'm down a couple $100,000 on this from the last bear market, and it was trending up. And now, you give back all of what you've made. Not all. That was at 0.0003 at one point, or 15. So I would say just play cool. Don't look at your portfolio every 5 minutes. That will do you no good. It will make you crazy. I haven't looked at mine in days. There's no reason to. I know it's down hundreds and hundreds, thousands of dollars. All I'm doing when I open up, I know I want to buy something. I look at that project and I buy it. That's all. Okay? Don't rush and don't make any rash moves. This is not a huge deal. We just have to see how it plays out today. This is a sea of red. Sea of red, and in all of them. So of course you're gonna have some bigger ones, right? Just random crap, but do not panic. It's all gonna be okay. Just don't look at your portfolio and be good to each other. Share, subscribe, and see what you can do. More importantly, be good to each other and your family.